Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this question related to FTRE 2016. We have to find out the number of integers a, where a value is between 1 and 200, including 1 and 200, such that a power a is a perfect square. We have to find out how many number of integers are there. We have been given 4 options: 105, 103, 107, 109. We have to find out how many number of integers are there. First, what we will do, we will try to look at some sample values and see what is the pattern or what is the logic behind these integers, so that we can find out the pattern, then we can easily see how many number of integers are there. So let's go ahead and start. The first what we will do, we'll write down the integers. The first a is equal to 1 will be 1 power 1. If a equal to 2, it will be 2 power 2. If a equal to 3, it will be 3 cube. If a is 4, it will be 4 power 4, 5 power 5, 6 power 5, 6 power 6, 7 power 7, 8 power 8, 9 power 9, like that. We have to go up to 200 whole to the power of 200. Out of these all numbers, we have to find out how many integers are there such that a power a, this is a perfect square. Okay, right. Now we will try to go through one by one and see actually whether they are a perfect square or not. So we will check one by one. First, 1 power 1 is a perfect square or not? Yes, 1 power 1 is a perfect square. 2 square is a perfect square. 3 cube is a perfect square? No. 4 power 4 is a perfect square. 5 power 5 is not a perfect square. 6 power 6 is a perfect square. 7 power 7 is not a perfect square. 8 power 8 is a perfect square, and also 9 power 9 is a perfect square. Let us see how they are perfect squares. Okay, let's have a look at them. Suppose you take 4 power 4. How 4 power 4 is a perfect square? 4 power 4 is nothing but equal to 2 square whole to the power of 4. Now can I write it as 2 power 4 whole square? So you can see that that's a perfect square. Similarly, look at suppose 9 to the power of 9. How can we write down 9 to the power of 9? 9 to the power of 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power of 9. So that's nothing but equal to 3 power 9 whole square. We can look at another example. Suppose we look at 6 power 6. How 6 power 6 is an perfect square? 6 power 6, that's equal to 6 to the power of 2 into 3. Can I write it as 6 to the power of 3 whole square? Because we know a power mn equal to a power m whole to the power of n, or a to the power of n whole to the power of m. So we can see that now we know that these are perfect squares. So now what is the logic we are following? That's what we have to understand. So from that we can come to one understanding that these numbers are basically coming from two types of scenario. The first scenario is the number should be a even number or multiple of 2. Even number or multiple of 2. Whenever a number is a multiple of 2, in the power we have multiple of 2, that means you can exchange them. You can always write them as like this. We can write it as a perfect square. So that's one option. Second option is, if even numbers are over, we see that all odd numbers are not there. See, suppose 3 is not there, 5 is not there, but 1 is there and 9 is there. So second thing is we need odd numbers which are perfect squares, or can I say perfect squares, perfect square numbers. If a number is a perfect square, then automatically it's, suppose 9 is a perfect square, 3 square whole to the power of 9 is nothing but 3 power 9 whole square. So we can write down like that. So now total how many, these are the two things, even numbers or multiples. We have to find out how many of them are. Then we have to find out how many numbers which are perfect squares, which are not covered in even number. That means obviously we are talking about odd numbers here which are perfect squares. So let's find out how many of them are there, then we will add them up. So let's take even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, let us see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 till 200. How many numbers are there which are even? All are even numbers only, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to 200. How many numbers will be there? 100 numbers will be there. You can count them. You can say, if you want, take it as arithmetic progression, an equal to 200, a equal to 2, d equal to 2. You will find out that there are 100 of them. Now what are the perfect squares which are odd numbers? How they will be? They will be like 1 square, 1 is 1, square is 1, afterwards 3 square which is equal to 9, then 5 square which is equal to 25, 7 square 49, 9 square 81, 11 square 131, 13 square 169. If I go to 15, I am crossing 200, 225 it's becoming. So I will not consider them. How many of them are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we add these two, we get 107. That means total 107 integers are there such that a power a is a perfect square. So our answer is C. Let us summarize this. We have to find out the number of integers such that a power a is a perfect square. Now we just took some sample values, a equal to 1, 1 power 1, 2 square. We just checked that. We understood the pattern is wherever a is even number, it is becoming automatically a perfect square, because suppose it is 6 power 6, in the power you have a multiple of 2. So you can exchange them, you can automatically write it as a perfect square. Also we know that even though there are odd numbers which are not perfect squares, there are some odd numbers which are perfect squares like 9, 1, 25 and then 49, 81. So find out how many of such numbers are there. That's nothing but 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square, 11 square and 13 square. All these odd numbers which are, you can ask me where are the even number perfect squares, they are already covered in the even numbers. You can see that 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, all of them are covered in the even number. So we are looking here only about the odd perfect square. So we have 100 plus 7, 107. So that's one interesting question which I thought share with you. Thanks for your time and support. I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Bye for now.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.